The air ducts in your home perform a vital function. They are responsible for circulating the air from the HVAC system into and outside every room. This helps improve the comfort levels in the indoor spaces of your home, no matter what the season is. In fact, all the air within your property circulates through these ducts several times a day. Since this is the air that you and your family breathe, it becomes important to ensure it's as clean as possible. The one way to do this is to get the air ducts in your home cleaned on a regular basis. In this video, we'll go over what air duct cleaning is and why it's so important to do. What is it? Air duct cleaning is the removal of contaminants and dust within the ducting network that includes the return and supply air ducts, the diffusers, and registers in every room. And reputable companies use commercial-grade vacuums to clear away all the debris and dust, which prevents it from getting recirculated in your home. Why do it? While it's a good idea to get the ducting cleaned every few years if you have noticed any of these signs, it's important that you call an air duct cleaning company right away if you see any of the following. You notice mold buildup inside the duct or other parts of the HVAC system. While some parts of this system are easily visible, many internal areas aren't. This is why it's best to hire professionals for regular air duct cleaning. They will check all the areas and make sure there is no buildup there. If there is an insect or rodent infestation in the ducts, if there are excessive amounts of debris and/or dust or any other particles being released into the indoor spaces via the supply registers. Cleaner indoor environment. When you clean your air ducts, it reduces the amount of dust that is circulating throughout your home and landing on the bedding, flooring, furniture, and all the other surfaces in your home. When you get your air ducts cleaned at regular intervals, you will have a cleaner indoor environment and will also have much less cleaning to do every day. Fewer irritants. Apart from dust, the air ducts also contain a number of harmful microorganisms and contaminants such as mildew, pollen, mold spores, pet dander, and various other toxins. Individuals that suffer from any respiratory disorders are very sensitive to these particles, which can give rise to reactions and allergies. But when you clean the ducts regularly, it ensures that cleaner air is circulating through your home. Better air quality. Even if none of your family members suffer from respiratory problems or any chronic allergies, when the air in your home is cleaner, it makes breathing for everyone a lot easier. And you don't need to worry about pollutants triggering bouts of coughing and sneezing, or conditions such as bronchial congestion and sinus infections. Not only does regular air duct cleaning improve indoor air quality, but it promotes overall well-being too. In addition to all these things, professional air duct cleaning helps remove unpleasant odors and gives you a fresher smelling home. It also improves airflow efficiency, which in turn helps improve the energy efficiency of your home. We at Royal Cleaning are one of the leading companies in the industry and can provide excellent air duct cleaning services. Please contact us for a free and fast estimate. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.